In this video, I will show you how to buy Sol or Solana on Coinbase. To do this, just go and open up Coinbase, and first you need to have some cash in your account. If you don't have that yet, just go and click deposit cash and go and deposit some money. After doing that, click on the buy and sell button. From here select buy, and then here just go and search for Sol. Then select Solana, and from here you can then choose how much you want to buy. For example, I'll do 10 euros. Then here click review order. And now here you have a few options, for example, to stake the Solana, but you can just go and click buy now if you want to confirm. And now the order has been submitted. Now you can go to your assets right here, and if you then click crypto, you will then see that you are going to be owning some Solana. So that's how to buy Sol or Solana on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.